Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
This is a loaf of Italian bread. Just got that at the bakery. Here are the meats and cheeses. This is Genoa salami. This is, you can see it right there, that is mortadella. It's an Italian bologna. And this is a nice ham. This is Swiss cheese, provolone. And here's the key ingredient. You have to get it from the Central Grocers in New Orleans, the famous Italian olive salad, home of the original. Now here's the thing. How do you pronounce it? Well, at the Central Grocery, they pronounce it mufu, a muffuletta. The rest of New Orleans pronounces it a muffuletta. And I think the rest of the world pronounces it Muffuletta, no matter how you pronounce it. And I may say it all three times, three different ways. Muffuletta, muffuletta, muffuliti. It's a delicious sandwich. And this is the classic muffuletta. Muffuletta, mufu. I like muffuletta. Is that how they pronounce it? No, muffuletta. So we're going to call this the muffuletta. This is the New Orleans style classic muffuletta with all those ingredients. It's easy to put together, but boy, is it delicious. Let's put this baby together. Okay, the first thing that needs to be done is we need to slice this guy like right in half. And you say, that's a lot of bread, Mike, but you need it to soak up all that beautiful olive salad. So let's slice this guy right through. I'm using a bread knife. You can see the way it's serrated. Nice and long, lean, if you know what I mean. Submarine. There you go. Cut this baby. Just like thus. Look at that. That's perfect, too perfect for the muffuletta. Next thing you do is you take this beautiful concoction, and I'm going to put it on both sides and let it seep into the bread. Let's start mixing it in. Oh, this is the key to muffuletta, muffulata, muffy moof moof, mafi mafa. It's the baby. Now you want it to soak into this bread, that's why you have so much bread. So we're going to let this soak for several minutes after we make the sandwich. Got to be patient. Oh yeah, that's getting all soaked in. Oh, look at that. Now this is the bottom. We're going to pack it down with 3 pieces of Swiss. Oh, that's beautiful. Then 3 pieces of provolone. This is the classic. This is exactly how they make it. Then you take, I'm going to take a piece and a half of ham. It's not because I ran out, it's because that's what it costs, that's how I'm making it. I'm going to put that Genoa salami on top. That's about 6 pieces because it's thinly sliced. Then we're going with the mortadella. Seriously, this, I got this from the deli. It's just like a spicy Italian bologna. This is a monster of a classic sandwich. Then you center this baby, and then you take this guy right here, and you flip-a-roo, and you press that baby down. Now, you can use French or Italian bread. Those are the classics. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to slice it, classic style, and then take a big, well, show you a nice close-up, then take a big bite. All right, this has been rested for about a dozen plus minutes. The first thing you do is going to put a cut right through the middle like this. The old slicer-o. Oh, and once in a while, an olive slips out and you eat it. And guess what? The classic muffuletta, mufu, is cut in a quarter like this. Ready for the reveal? Look at that. Let's get a close-up of that. There's your classic. Oh, baby. Is that gorgeous? That's your classic muffuletta. There it is. There's your close-up. Now, the big bite coming up. The moment of truth. There it is. There's your classic muffuletta, muffuletta, mufu, mufu. But here's the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, how do you eat this thing? Just like this. You ready? Big bite? Oh. The bread is perfect. Of course, the first thing that gets you is that olive salad, and you have to get the original. And then all the flavors of those deli sliced meats and those very pungent cheeses. Provo and Swiss. They're gonna give you, let you know they're there. The bread's nice and soft, but it's chewy. I just got the mortadella. That ham, got a sweetness to it. This is a meal for 4 days, or for 4 people, or 8. Classic, killer diller, awesome. My goodness, for more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. Keep living life 365, keep eating great classic foods. Keep watching my videos. Subscribe and tell as many people about it. Until next time, peace. Uh-oh.
Live life 365.
It is huge. That's what she might have said. This is a monstrosity. And there's 2 different sizes. I got this online. Maybe I should have bought another size, but I think I got just enough. Of course, I snuck some earlier in the week. Don't waste any. Do not waste any. It's already got my mouth watering. This classic Muffuletta, that's how they say it, at the Central Grocery. Sometimes olives will go flying. I'm not kidding. This thing is huge. Chew it. I'm feeling that. I can't speak. Oh my goodness. Look at, only 3 more to go. That's a sweet bubble. That's killer. Me likey. You say muffuletta, I say muffuletta. You say muffuletta, I say muffuletta. Malofu, malada, malada, malofu. Oh, I don't know how to say it. Bye-bye. That was killer.